We are going to get those partial results momentarily, Sarah. The Media Filing Center here at the Des Moines Events Center is getting set for an announcement from the Iowa Democratic Party. Unclear which member of the party is going to be making this announcement, whether it will be a chair or a lower level staffer. But one thing is for certain, and that is that the party does not want to claim a win here. There was an attempt just a few moments ago to do this as a gaggle, to do this as a lower key announcement, just with select media, not as a stage with a podium. But clearly, after a lot of backlash from media, that has changed, and you can see this announcement is about to begin momentarily. Let's listen in.
Thank you all so much for taking a little time today to chat a little bit about what happened last night. The reporting of the results and circumstances surrounding the 2020 Iowa Democratic Party caucuses were unacceptable. As chair of the party, I apologize deeply for this. Last night, we were faced with multiple reporting challenges and decided, out of an abundance of caution, to protect the integrity of the Iowa caucuses and their results by taking the necessary steps to review and confirm the data. A thorough, transparent, and independent examination of what occurred yesterday will follow. But let me be clear. My number one priority has been on ensuring the accuracy and integrity of the results. And we have been working all night to be in the best position to report results. And here, in just a couple of minutes, we will be reporting 62% of precincts from all 99 counties. The bottom line is that we hit a stumbling block on the back end of the reporting of the data. But the one thing I want you to know, we know this data is accurate. And we also have a paper trail and documentation that have been able to use to provide information to help verify the results. This is personal to me. I'm a lifelong Iowan. I have caucused for 20 years. And I know how important it is to our party, to our state, and to everyone, from our neighbors to new voters, to be able to come together all across this state. We want Iowans to be confident in the results and in the process, and we are going to take the time that we need to make sure that we do just that. So I know folks are going to want to be seeing the results as they come in, but I'm happy to take a couple of quick questions before that happens.
How can anyone trust you now?
We have been working day and night to make sure that these results are accurate. The one thing I will say is that the underlying data, the raw data, is secure. It was always secure. This was a coding error in one of the pieces on the back end, but the raw data, the data that has come in, is secure, and I can assure Iowans of that.
Do you worry this could cost any of your first-in-the-nation status? Do you worry it could cost you your first-in-the-nation status or endanger the caucuses as a nation?
The fact is that this is
we still don't have the results yet from the Iowa caucuses, but it looks like in a few minutes we're going to get them.
We're going to make an announcement that will make the full announcement in a few minutes.
But they've only got 60% of the full precincts ready to go. Clearly, they're having a lot of glitches and issues, as evidenced by the first reporter question, which is, how can we trust you?
Yeah, he did say the underlying data was always secure, so it was about the reporting of it. It wasn't a full picture of all the results. Who knows?
Why didn't he just get to the numbers? I mean, I get the point that he's trying to apologize and cover his bases, but everyone's waited long enough.
Perhaps after the numbers, nobody would actually ask about the process and get him to say what he wishes to say.
What would surprise investors one way or another?
I mean, I don't really know what's handicapped right now, but I do think if it's close, the market is just saying it's non-committal, and therefore on the Democratic side, it's going to be a months-long process of hashing this out.
And that
means nobody goes with momentum
for Bernie Sanders.
And there's no presumptive nominee. Presumably that means it wouldn't be Bernie Sanders.
A lot of people saying it's good for Michael Bloomberg, which is
on a net basis. If the process looks messy and the party feels like they need to grab for somebody who can, who can fund himself and be apart from that process,
New Hampshire's in a week.